Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, I will show you how you can design organizer templates for the Event Calendar plugin by using the Single Page Builder Pro plugin. For this, go to the Events page template under the Event Add-on submenu and add a new template. Select the organizer page to design organizer templates and other options according to your preferences and publish it. Now go to Events Organizers under the Events submenu and view the organizer. You can select any layout to design organizer pages. Thanks for watching this video.